Hey team, in this overview video, we'll be going over the Delfast pneumatic post stapler. Let's get into it. First of all, we're going to undo the tabs on the side, open up the case, and there we have the tool. First impression of the tool, we have some air tool oil, a handle, a set of Allen keys, and our operations manual and booklets. We have a 360-degree swivel for connecting your hose to, a belt hook for hooking onto the belt or your pinny, a pusher that locks in down the bottom by tilting it to the angle like so, locking back over. Also has a dry lockout, so the gun will not, or the tool will not fire without any staples in it. Also have the safety on the nose, along with the depth adjustment trigger and your exhaust back cap. Here we have the handle. We have a left and right, so obviously if you're right-handed, you can go on this side here. Left-handed, you can go on the opposite side to make it easier to carry and to operate. And there you have it team, there's the overview of the Delfast pneumatic post stapler. See you next time.